cab over Pete with a reefer on and a Jimmy hauling hogs. We was headed for Bear on I-10, about a mile out of Shaky Town. I said, Pigpen, this here's a rubber duck, and I'm about to put a hammer on down.
'Cause we got a little old convoy rocking through the night. Yeah, we got a little old convoy, ain't she a beautiful sight? Come on and join our convoy, ain't nothing gonna get in our way. We're gonna roll this trucking convoy across the USA.
Breaker, Pigpen, this here's the duck. You wanna back off them hogs, 10 far? About 5 miles or so, yeah, Roger. Them hogs is getting intense up here.
By the time we got into Tulsa town, we had 85 trucks and all. But there's a roadblock up on the Cloverleaf, and them bears is wall to wall. Yeah, the smokies was thick as bugs on a bumper. They even had a bear in the air. I says, calling all trucks, this here's the Doug. We about to go a hunting bear.
'Cause we got a great big convoy rocking through the night. Yeah, we got a great big convoy, ain't she a beautiful sight? Come on and join our convoy, ain't nothing gonna get in our way. We gon' roll this trucking convoy across the USA.
You wanna give me a 10-9 on that, Pigpen? Negatory, Pigpen, you're still too close. Yeah, them hogs is starting to close up my sinuses. Mercy sakes, you better back off another 10.
When we rolled up Interstate 44 like a rocket sled on rails, we tore up all of our swindle sheets and left them sitting on the scales. By the time we hit that Chi-town, them bears was getting smart. They had brought up some reinforcements from the Illinois National Guard. There's armored cars and tanks and jeeps and rigs of every size. Yeah, the chicken coops was full of bears and choppers filled the skies. Well, we shot the line and we went for broke with 1,000 screaming trucks and 11 long-haired friends of Jesus and a chartreuse microbus.
Yeah, Sunbuster, this here's the duck. Come on, get 10-4. Hey, Sunbuster, listen. You wanna put that microbus in behind that suicide jockey? Yeah, he's hauling dynamite, and he's all the help he can get.
When we laid the strip for the Jersey Shore and prepared to cross the line, I could see the bridge is lined with bears, but I didn't have a doggone dime. I said, Pigpen, this here's a rubber duck, we just ain't gonna pay no toll. So we crashed the gate, doing 98, I says, let them